Oh, that's a good idea. Alright, what's going on? What's going on? What's the game plan?
Alright.
What are we eating after this?
Take a picture.
Game of searching to sit from yours. Whoever has the most cash in their base by the end of the game takes the match. Any questions? Can you throw cash? Can we go like this with the money? Cool.
Well, you guys happen to have a pool here?
Hey, you know, I think they need a party deck with a pool and a bar.
Hey, the place
Dude, party plane.
Huh?
Party plane.
Oh yeah, party plane.
Take all the money to the plane and just fucking lie. Plugged in.
Bring out the champagne. And the cocaine.
And the strippers.
Go.
No champagne, no strippers, no go.
Cash and make it rain.
Stay with me real quick.
Let's go, stay.
Alright, let's go. Let's all go take the schoolyard.
Come through the middle. That's me hitting you. You're not gonna call it? I know it's super weak, but please call it. Come on. You! Hey! Hey, you in the alleyway, turn around. Buddy, can you watch this way? Watch this way. Bang! One for one? One for one? One for one? Okay, thank you. That's it. Huh? Alright. Looks like I'm moving with Speedsoft crew. Oh my god.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, no, I'm not complaining. Alright. So teach me how to Speedsoft. Yo, teach me how to Speedsoft. Oh, did I shoot you there? Yeah. Sorry about that, man. Sure. I'll call myself out. Or is it okay if I stay in?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Sorry about that, man. Knee-jerk reactions.
Watch out, he's right down the corner.
Yeah. Hey, can you suppress him? I'll try and take him out. Cover. Full cover. Oh.
I had to drop on that one, dude.
Yeah, but whatever. Getting tactical as fuck right here. You like that? Go rush him. Go after it, go for him. Yeah. Fuck me, I ran out of ammo. Hey, don't shoot.
Show me my speed.
Well, I mean, would you rather get shot in the head? Oh shit, I need to go gas my mags.
What?
Bye.
That solution's not to argue and bitch over. Alright? Just let stuff happen. don't immediately pin another player to the fucking, you know, banhammer list. If not, if shit happens, let it go. It's not that big of a deal. Go back to respawn, come back in, have a good time, alright?
I got you.
I don't want you guys...
I'll even call myself out just to make you happy.
You guys shake on it?
I'll even call
It's not
myself
about me
out.
being happy, man. It's about doing it the right way.
I am doing it the right way. When I call a bank
I didn't say you're not doing it the right way. Will I upload that? I don't know.